Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Ketepec is a small neighborhood on the west side of St. John, New Brunswick. Rather than being known for tourist attractions, Ketepec is a practical residential area that reflects everyday life in St. John. Homes, local streets, schools, and nearby businesses make up much of the neighborhood, giving it a strong connection to the people who live and work here. The neighborhood sits close to some of St. John's major industrial areas, including the Irving Oil Refinery, which is one of the largest oil refineries in Canada. The refinery has been a major employer for decades and has shaped the economy of eastern St. John. While it is an industrial landmark rather than a tourist attraction, it plays an important role in the city's history and continues to influence the surrounding communities, including Ketepec. Ketepec itself does not have officially published population figures because it is one of the city's smaller neighborhoods rather than a separate municipality. It forms part of the larger east side of St. John, where thousands of residents live in a mix of single-family homes, apartments, and townhouses. The area appeals to families, workers, and retirees who appreciate convenient access to shopping, schools, parks, and major roads. Housing in Ketepec is generally more affordable than in many larger Canadian cities. In recent years, detached homes in this part of St. John have commonly sold in the range of about $300,000 to $450,000, although prices vary depending on the size, age, and condition of the property. This relative affordability has helped attract people looking for good value while remaining close to city services and employment. St. John is the oldest incorporated city in Canada, receiving its city charter in 1785. However, the area's history extends much further back. Long before European settlement, the Wolastoqiyik, also known as the Maliseet people, lived and traveled throughout the St. John River watershed. French explorers arrived during the early 1600s, followed later by British settlers. After the American Revolution, thousands of Loyalists settled here, helping shape the city's future and making St. John one of the most important communities in British North America. Today, St. John has a population of approximately 73,000 people, while the greater metropolitan area is home to more than 130,000 residents. The city sits on the Bay of Fundy, famous for having some of the highest tides in the world. These dramatic tides create one of St. John's most famous natural attractions, the Reversing Falls Rapids, where powerful tidal currents can actually reverse the flow of the St. John River twice each day. This natural phenomenon has attracted visitors for generations. The city's economy has long been built around its harbor. The Port of St. John is one of Canada's busiest ports and handles cargo from around the world. Other major employers include the Irving Oil Refinery, one of the largest oil refineries in Canada, along with manufacturing companies, healthcare facilities, educational institutions, transportation businesses, and government offices. Tourism also plays an important role, especially during the cruise ship season when thousands of visitors arrive to explore the city's historic streets and waterfront. St. John continues to evolve while maintaining its connection to its past. Historic buildings stand alongside modern businesses, active industries, and growing residential neighborhoods. Whether someone is interested in history, natural attractions, local culture, or life on Canada's Atlantic coast, St. John offers a combination of experiences that reflect more than 4 centuries of development and one of the richest maritime histories in the country. Thanks for watching!